So one of the first things that we made sure we had when we got to the cottage was a bar. And here she is. It's very important. Everything stays cold. We got beer, we got wine, we got ice. Got some Perrier for our spritzers, and we even got a glass that's being chilled there. And there you have it. DIY outdoor bar.
We met when I was in a band. No, not that band, this band. We fell in love. We started a business. We bought a house. Then we got married. We hung out with our dogs, Stella and Kobo. Then we bought a cabin in the woods. Nope, not that cabin, this cabin. Then we dug a fire pit and started some renovations. We built a dock and adopted a dog named Juno. We got a jet ski and explored the woods with our dogs. We had some fun along the way, and the journey continues. This is our life with dogs.
What a beautiful day. Hi, Vinny. Easy. Oh, hey, what you got? What you got? What you got there, you boy? Crack, crack. Don't walk there. All right. See what we can do here. Oh my goodness, that is cool. I think that's enough for that one. Holy shit, that's cold. Definitely have learned, I will tell you this, that the next time I come out here, I'm bringing my frickin' dishwashing gloves, the plastic ones, because I use them for the hot water. So why would I not be using this for the cold water? Hands are absolutely frozen. They're a little numb actually right now, but I know that they say like the ice water is good for you, so hopefully that does something for my my arthritic fingers. We'll see. Anyhow, I'm gonna bring this stuff up and get started on dishes, and next time be smart and bring the yellow gloves with me.